I love the 100 degrees and 92 degrees temperature. It's my perfect temperature. How many of y'all like the 92 degrees temperature? I always wait for 100 degrees. This year we have not had 100 degrees. Today we have come to Chili's, but still we didn't feel like going inside the Chili's and having something. So I thought, okay, we would take something take out and we would eat it at home and make it like a kind of a eating out dinner. So we just came to Chili's. We are just picking up some boneless chicken, and today I'll just share you my dinner, which will be from outside and will be enjoying at home. So here I went to Chili's. I got some boneless wings. Now I don't want to eat just like that. I would like to disinfect it. So the best thing is to always do it in the air fryer and you'll disinfect it. Don't use the same foil because you don't know how they would have handled it. So I'm keeping it for 5 minutes and we'll disinfect and we'll have a good Chili's takeout dinner. So here is my lentils made at home, Chili's chicken and naan brought from Costco. Yum, yum, yum dinner. So I bought this Blue Benny banana split ice cream. It's so good. It has fresh fruits, nuts and all. And it looks like this. This is the texture. It's so yummy. All should try. And children sprinkled some Hershey's chocolate syrup and it looks so yum. How many people like to melt their ice cream and drink like milk? I'm a person who likes to melt my ice cream and drink like milk. Ice cream is really melted like milk and I just love when ice cream melts. I love this place and today it's going to rain. It looks like you can see the skies up. It's all becoming black and all. It might rain. It's becoming cloudy and all, and I just had a shower. I just came, but I love this gazebo so much. I feel like dancing, but then I say, oh, there's no music, but this is a perfect location. If you can see, there's nice location, and if you put some lights and all, this location is a cool, and this is near my house. I really love, and I'm shooting it over here. I have to dye my hair, but I feel okay without not having dye on, no makeup on, nothing except for little nail polish. I have no makeup on, no filters, nothing, and this is my real face, real me, real hairs. So this is me. See, these plants look like paddy fields, how they used to grow in India. I don't know what they are called over here, but these look like those paddy fields. This paddy fields, all when you see the round. And look at the clouds today. They look something different. God has drawn so good painting. It looks like, just look at that sky. That skies. Everywhere you see there is little bit of sunshine, little bit of black clouds, and it looks so good. How many of you all love it? I love this nature so much. You should always be connected to nature so much, you know. You get good vibes and positivity. So I just love being outside. Outdoors is the best. Just see the skies now from blue to black. Now it's become orange. So I was remembering Broncos. See this side also. Just see with the trees how nice the view is looking. Actually the view is so beautiful. It's not capturing that well. It is so beautiful with the trees and the lights and the sky with orange color, black color, blue color. Lovely. I love this garden which has weeds and they look so beautiful. Everybody is loving my little weed garden, which looks really good, and wild plants are so beautiful in your garden. You should always have them. These straws, I saw it in Costco. These straws should never be used because the steel straws, they can cause fungus and all inside, so you should not use them. It's better to use the disposable ones. People say like they don't have time for doing walking or any exercise, so you have a limited space. Still you can even walk anywhere near your house, and right now I'm standing near my house And if you just have a car parking place also, just park your car and start walking 100 times near your car only, and you can see the reflection. Just see the reflection when you're walking on the cars. Just see the reflection of here. You can see that orange sky is behind you. Just come here. You can see the skies. See, you can see the orange sky on the reflection of your car, and you can just keep walking and walking and walking, and just record like this. So just walk and record. So this is the fun way to do your exercise also and do walking also. See, I gave you a good tip. If you don't have place to walk, walk anywhere. Have a lovely day. Oh, it's on the top of the world. Oh my goodness. So good. I love it. It was so hot in the morning and it was 92 degrees and all, but now it's all cloudy and it looks like it's going to rain, and weather has become so pleasant. Just see this rabbit behind me. It is shivering and setting. Just see how cute it is looking. Hi bunny, how are you? Are you cold with the sudden temperature? It has really become very cold and the temperature is so cold. This song which I'm going to sing is only for the bunny rabbit. तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं, एक तेरे सिवा मुझे कोई और भाता नहीं. Rabbit, did you like the song? The rabbit is also feeling very cold because the temperature suddenly dropped off by 20 degrees. See how its body is, he's all crumpled up and sitting so cozy, but you can see the wind and how he's sitting. Just see, look at his ears, so beautiful. Just check this out. It's so windy. I'm loving this temperature. It is so beautiful. You can see how much winds are blowing. Just with this wind chimes and all. Just see the flag flying. It's looking so beautiful. See the pine trees also. Can you hear thunder? Do you hear thunder? It's so nice. So this was it. I just came home. It was so windy outside. I said enough of walking that much, and suddenly it was so cold. I needed a jacket. Then I said, I better go home, and tomorrow in the morning I'll just start off early and go for a walk in the morning. So this was it for today, and these were the moments which I could capture. And you saw me in that red t-shirt. I had been for a hike in that place. It's called Castle Rock Incline. So I went over there. It was so much fun. Kiddos enjoyed it. It has like 200 steps, and you need to climb 200 steps and just come down. And people take like 20 minutes, but we took like 2 hours because we were not in shape for walking. So it was that kind of a weather, and we enjoyed a lot. So walking is going on well, and I'm so sweaty and all, and no makeup. So this was it for today. If you like this video clips which I did today, like, comment and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye till then. Have a good night.